I guess this could be a start of a new series here. So today I'm going on a road trip, and the road trip will be in my new ride. Let me go ahead and show this to you. Oh yeah, this would be a Japanese fire truck. Oh, the pool is going to somebody else, but gonna be heading to Kentucky today. I didn't get footage of it the other day, but I actually drove this thing from Georgia back to Indiana, where I'm at, and it did amazing. It's got air conditioning, heat, all that kind of stuff. 70 miles an hour on the highway. I'll probably take you guys along for a ride as we're going and stuff like that. Kind of show you guys everything that's going on, and trying to get the last few items, whatever I need here, and then we'll start getting on the road. I'll grab some clips here and there as we go along the way, so that you guys can kind of see what we're doing. All right, have a good one.
start than what we thought.